China may have just revealed one of its most unusual naval platforms yet. A mysterious black-painted trimaran that appears to blur the line between submarine and surface ship. A newly surfaced image has given analysts the clearest look so far, and it raises far more questions than answers about Beijing's next step maritime strategy. The photo, reportedly taken near the Huangpu shipyard in Guangzhou, is the first widely circulated image showing the vessel unobscured. For months, experts only had satellite imagery to rely on, much of it reviewed by naval analyst Sutton, where the craft was covered by tarpaulins. Now, with a full side profile visible, its unconventional design comes into focus. Measuring roughly 210 feet long, the trimaran incorporates traits from both submarines and surface vessels. Its narrow hull hints at efficiency, though not necessarily optimized for high-speed performance. What stands out more is how strongly the submarine influence now appears. Depth markings along the hull and sail suggest the ability to operate partially or possibly fully submerged. One of the most notable features is at the stern, where analysts such as Alex Luck have identified what appears to be a pump jet system. Pump jets are known for enabling stealthy, cavitation-free travel, a significant advantage for long-distance, low-observable operations. The vessel's sail, fitted with what might be a snorkel or antenna mast, further reinforces the submarine-like profile, yet it remains unclear whether the craft is crewed or uncrewed. One major theory is that China is testing an arsenal ship concept, an uncrewed, low-signature platform capable of carrying a large missile load. Such a vessel could surface, launch land attack or anti-ship missiles, and then slip beneath the waves. However, analysts have not yet identified visible vertical launch cells, leaving the arsenal ship hypothesis unconfirmed. Another increasingly discussed possibility is a drone mothership. Instead of missile cells, the vessel may house unmanned aerial systems, especially VTOL drones or long-range one-way attack platforms. With conflicts worldwide proving the impact of kamikaze drones, China may be exploring a stealthy maritime launch platform using rails or catapult-style systems. A less dramatic but entirely plausible explanation is that the vessel serves as a testbed. The People's Liberation Army Navy has a long record of building unique platforms specifically for research, systems evaluation, and training. A hybrid submersible surface test craft would allow engineers to collect valuable data on stealth hydrodynamics, unmanned control, and hybrid naval tactics. At this stage, the vessel's mission, crew status, and operational concept remain unknown. Yet each new image brings more clarity to China's rapidly evolving naval ambitions. Whether arsenal ship, drone carrier, or experimental test platform, this black-painted trimaran signals that China is pushing into new territory in stealth, unmanned warfare, and next-generation maritime strategy. With more sightings emerging, its secrets may not remain hidden for long.